Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today we've got something truly massive and luxurious to talk about. The 2025 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mansion on wheels, built on the rugged and iconic Kenworth truck platform. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this beast one of the most talked about motorhomes of the year. Starting with the exterior, the W1100 is nothing short of a head-turner. With its bold front grille, powerful stance, and custom paint jobs, it screams dominance on the road. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, this rig is engineered for long-haul journeys with comfort and confidence. The aerodynamic enhancements and LED lighting give it a modern touch while maintaining that classic Kenworth muscle. Under the hood, the W1100 packs serious power. It's equipped with a massive Packer MX-13 engine, delivering over 500 horsepower and more than 1,050 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, this setup ensures smooth handling even with the enormous weight it carries. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising down the freeway, performance is never a concern. Now let's talk about the real highlight, the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxury lounge that rivals top-end apartments. Premium leather seating, hardwood flooring, soft ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art appliances. Everything feels like it was designed with 5-star comfort in mind. There's a full-sized kitchen with high-end fixtures, a cozy dining area, a spacious bedroom, and even a bathroom with a rainfall shower. Tech-wise, the W1100 doesn't disappoint. You get smart control systems for lighting, temperature, and entertainment, all accessible via touchscreen panels. Multiple flat-screen TVs, a surround sound system, and even satellite connectivity make life on the road feel just like home, or better. Storage is another big plus. With cleverly designed compartments inside and out, you'll never run out of space for your gear, tools, or outdoor equipment. Plus, the onboard generator and solar power integration ensure you can go completely off-grid without sacrificing convenience. Driving this motorhome is surprisingly manageable. Thanks to modern safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera view, maneuvering this giant feels safer and more intuitive than ever before. So, who is the 2025 Kenworth W1100 motorhome really for? It's for those who demand luxury without limits, power without compromise, and the freedom to explore in style. Whether you're a full-time traveler or just want the ultimate road trip machine, this motorhome sets a new standard. If you're dreaming big, the W1100 is ready to make it real. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you take this monster on a cross-country trip? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic reviews right here on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one.